Stop paying $7 for a pumpkin spice latte. You can make one at home in 5 minutes for under $1, and it actually tastes like real pumpkin, not just syrup. Step 1. In a small saucepan, whisk 2 tablespoons of plain pumpkin puree with a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Simmer on low for 3 minutes, stirring constantly, then strain it through a fine mesh sieve to remove to pulp. Step 2. Brew a strong shot of espresso or use a 1/4 cup of strong drip coffee if you don't have a machine. Pour it straight into your strained syrup while both are still warm so they blend completely. Step 3. Heat 1 cup of milk in a saucepan until steaming but not boiling, then froth it with a handheld milk frother for 30 seconds. Whole milk or oat milk both work well and give you that thick, creamy top. Step 4. Pour the frothed milk over your espresso and syrup mixture, holding the foam back with a spoon until the end. Spoon the foam on top, then finish with a dusting of cinnamon and a pinch of nutmeg. Pro tip: skip canned pumpkin pie filling. It's loaded with extra sugar and spices and throws off the whole recipe. Grab plain pumpkin puree instead. What's your favorite fall drink hack? Comment below. Follow Sikho. For more, visit Sikho.ai.